How can a fraction be bigger than 1? If this looks confusing, don't blink, the trick is coming. When the top number is bigger than the bottom, that fraction is called improper. And improper fractions always hide a whole number. Our job is simple. Pull out the whole number and keep the leftover fraction. Here's the rule, and don't forget it. Divide the numerator by the denominator. 4 goes into 11 2 times, with 3 left over. The whole number is the answer you divided out. The remainder becomes the new numerator. The denominator stays the same. 2 full parts. And 3/4 of another. That's exactly 11 out of 4. No memorizing stress. Just follow the steps. Pause in your head. What's the whole number? What's left? Convert this to a mixed number. No guessing. Drop your answer in the comments. If this clicked instantly, you're thinking like a mathematician.